Okay. Can you see the Google Jamboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. It's okay. I'll just use here because it is not Teams, right? So let me use the Jamboard for drawing purpose. Fine. So we'll see few more questions today. Very first question. So one of few questions I have missed because they have been asked in university for continual manner. After that, I'll go with the divisible by k problems where it has the procedure. I'll share the one more screen. It's kept on admitting students. I'm only late for 5 minutes. These people are coming now. Fine. Okay. So in sticky note, I'll try to write the. Since I'm using this tool first time, is that sticky note is available to you? Can you able to see that?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay then. If anything is not visible, please let me know. So do not end with AB. So here the language which is equal to W, the set of all strings, where this W belongs to here means epsilon will come. W belongs to A comma B such that do not end with, I think do not end with AB. Any question which comes in the negative manner, do not end with AB or anything, do not end with. Do not end with. Better, this has two ways of solving actually. One is try to construct a DFSM which ends with AB, make the non-final states as final states and final states as non-final states. Understood this? There are two ways of solving this. One is initial from the starting way of solving. I will make sure that that should not end with AB. That is one case. The one more case is let me do with in such a way, I will frame a question which will end with AB so that after that, I will make my final as non-final and non-final as final states. So if you have noted down the question, I'll just move for solving it. Just cancel the sticky note. Just come here. I'll just take a pen. What is the question asked to you? The question is asked to you is that doesn't end with AB. Let me try with end with AB. So now Q0, Q1, A is there. Then Q2, this is my B. So in this case, what about, let me go with, first stick on to which doesn't end with AB itself. Okay, which should not end with AB means, which has to be the final state here? I'm raising a question to you itself. Please answer. Which has to be the final state? Which should not end with AB means?
From Q1.
No, the final state has to be. Okay. Q1 and one more state also will come. What is that?
Q naught.
Q naught. So here it is ending with AB so that it should not be final state. that should not end with AB, right? So here also final state, here also final state. So it will accept the string A. After that, if it comes B that is ending with, it should not be the final state. So accepting states are only Q0 and Q1 to you. Now you try to fix your remaining inputs to this. For Q0, you have provided A. What about B, where I have to give? That's not a difference. I don't have any constraint whether it start with A or end with start with A or B. Anything it is acceptable. Any string only I have to work with that should not end with AB so that I can give my B here, right? So that it will allow the strings which will start with A as well. It will allow the strings which will start with B, but make sure that it should not end with AB so that Q2 is a not final state. Q2 is a non-final state. Okay, coming to Q1. So where I have to provide my A. Where I have to provide A.
Q0.
That's what this kind of problems, let's just listen here. I'll just draw one more. You see, I'll just go with end with AB. End with AB. That is the best way, I think. I think I could not convince you if I do like this. This is Q0. How do you make it end with AB? Q1 and then Q2. That time, this is the final state, ending with AB. So A, B. It obviously has to end with AB, means it should be in the acceptance state. So if it is going to end with AB, where I have to give B? Here, right? Here I have to give B, so that it will allow the strings, it will start with A as well, it will start with B, but it will end with AB. BAB or AB, it is ending with that. Now, what about Q1 state? It has to end with AB, right? Where do you give A?
Self.
Self state.
Self, yes. You will give A here itself. As coming to the last state, it's already ended with, see, it has to every time end with AB. Suppose if I give A here, there is a chance that it will end with BA, right? So that where I have to give A input
Q1.
for Q2, don't go to Q0, just try to minimize the distance. Why can't I can give A here? So that always it will take this path to Q1 with A, then it will end with B, final state. So AB only will be ended. Correct or not? Don't go to Q0, it is the longest path. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then for B, there is no option. You have to go to Q0, right? You have to go to Q0. It's because it has to end with AB. If I give B here, there is a chance to end with BB. So that's why I have to go to Q0, so that anyway it will go end with AB itself when I am Q2. This is the figure for ending with AB, I think, which I have solved previously. But how do you do it without ending with AB? So that's better way is, if it is something asked like this, not ending with, not consisting, all those things, better do for the positivity case, then make for the negativity case, make your final as non-final, non-final as final states. Now final state is Q2 here. Now in this figure, make, which are the non-final states? Ending with AB, Q0 and Q1. So which is not ending with AB, make Q0, Q1 as not final states. Here it is the final state. In this case, make it as the not final state, remaining all same. Remaining all same. We'll just come to that. So here A, and where do I take my B? That is to Q naught, that is your B. Right? Now you just compare, it should not end with AB. This one. Any string you tell me whether it ends with AB in this case. If you take this is the final state, only B's are accepting here. Only B's are accepting. Okay, if this is my case, acceptable state, two acceptable states are there. Then what I have to go? It will accept the strings B, A. What is the string to be accepted in this case? Acceptable states are these two, right? What are the strings to be acceptable by this? One is B power n acceptable case. One more is B power n A 1A. Then what is this? A power n, right? Do you have anything which is, I'm just taking only acceptable states. Do you have anything which is acceptable with ending with AB in these two pattern of strings?
No, ma'am.
Are you understanding, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
acceptable categories are only this B power n and then B power n A power n. So nowhere I got ending with AB. That's why this will never end with AB. If it ends with AB, it has the path only Q2. But Q2 is not accepting state, so it never end with AB. So better always try for ending with AB. Not only this case, anything, then you do it for not ending. Just replace your final as non-final and non-final as final states. Now let us go with the next question, which is very interesting.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, Animesh wants to join, and from 10 minutes he is waiting, it seems, ma'am.
Okay. Mm. Because I didn't get a beep sound while I'm while just taking the class. So many of them are there. 37. Okay. Now let me go to the next question. I'll just clear the frame. Okay. Now the question is like this. Don't consider all the time you will get the questions as a theoretical framework. Sometimes you will get the question like this. You see, now I'll just write the question. L is equal to, what is that? W such that the W belongs to symbol I could not see in my keyboard, so that I just write as such. W belongs to means the strings belongs to. It means that language is set of all strings. It's nothing but set of all strings where that strings belongs to the pattern. The pattern is like that. Anything of W which is AB plus BA, where alphabets are your A comma B. Any alphabets, 0 or more number of alphabets. Where W belongs to, again, you have the input alphabets A comma B star. What does it mean by star is anything will work, like 0 or more number of A's or B's. Clean star, initial class itself I told you, clean star means 0 number of A's means only B's will occur. 0 number of B's means A will occur. Combinations of them also possible. 0 or more number of A's and B's. That is the meaning. Minimum string can be B, minimum string can be A or AB, ABB, like that. It goes 0 or more number of possibilities without input also. And now come here, what did you understood from this is the language. Any string acceptable, that is after the string, actually at the W of given, right? There is a plus here. It means that it is going to end with either AB or BA. 1 second. There is no time for joining the classes. See? What do you mean by this is the set of all strings where you have any number of alphabets where W belongs to AB, right? Any alphabet AB or B, whatever it is, but that should end with either AB or BA. That should end with either AB or BA. Did you understand the question? Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Now, let us do that. Ending with AB or BA. So it has two patterns actually. Either it will end with AB, the strings which will end with AB also acceptable. The strings that will end with BA also acceptable. You should know one thing is given there. W, where that belongs to, what is that? A comma B star. A comma B star. What does it mean? Zero or more number of star means zero or more number of alphabets possible. Then what is the minimum string to be acceptable? Because it is of,
Excellent.
yes, no. It has to end with AB or BA. This is concrete. Either this or this is concrete. This can be either epsilon, where W belongs to. See?
Okay, ma'am.
So if this is epsilon means star means what? Zero or more number of. So epsilon also possible. Epsilon means what is the minimum string? AB. Right?
Or B.
End AB or BA.
B.
Or if I take A, that can be AB ending with. Or that can end with BA. Or else if I take with B, same thing will come, no? AB or BA. This will be anything. Later it will be AA or AB or BA or BB. But that should either end with this or this. Got a clearance?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me erase that. So now what I have to do is, let us go with figuring out. See, I have two things. It is either starting with A or starting with B, right? It is allowing the strings either that will start with A. This is the first string, this is the second string to be accepted, this is the third, fourth, like that it goes on. Complexity increases when the length of the string increases. It is taking two choices. Either it will go with A or it will go with B. So that what I have to do is, this is a special question, Q naught. From Q naught, I may choose two paths, one with A, one with B. Clear? Then here it is Q1. Here it is Q1. Here I'll take Q2. I'll just figure out first only for minimal string A, B. Minimum string accepted. A, B. Remaining inputs we will give in such a way that should not violate the string pattern. Then Q2 is done, right? Then I'll go with Q3. Then Q4. Let me take this is the final state, because if I choose with A, that should end with B. If I choose with B, that will end with A. Two possibilities are there, AB or BA. This is the minimal skeleton diagram. Now there is an issue. When we have started providing each and every input to the each state. Now for Q naught, no problem, because I have provided both the inputs. What about Q1? Which input I have provided? B I have provided. I have to give what now?
A.
What I have to provide now?
You can provide A to Q naught.
Self
Q1.
only. Ma'am, Q1, it can be self also.
Yes.
A.
Don't go to here. Don't go to another state when self is also satisfying.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Anyhow, if you go here, it will end with AB that is satisfied with this itself. Q1A. You see, this is the pathway I have chosen, which is ending with AB, right? This is the pathway I have chosen, which is ending with BA. So better I can give my A here. If I give my A here, what happens again? Anyhow, it is going to go with AB. That any number of A's, whatever it starts, it will end with B only. That is the speciality of this pathway. Fine. Now, what about Q3? I have to give B, right? The same pattern for Q3B. Let me give it here. Let me give it here. Now, the biggest problem with this Q2, Q4, because you don't say that I have already accepted this, so that whatever it is, that is not the case. It has to end with AB. Whatever the input AB which you give here, it has to end up with Q2 or Q4. Either if you provide A and B here, somehow it has to reach either Q2 or it has to reach Q4. So that is the acceptable categories. That make sure that it will end with AB. So now, to which state if I provide, you explore the answers, please, so that it will end with ABBA. Please think. Yes.
Ma'am, from Q2 we can give A to Q1 and B to Q3. Similarly, from Q4, B to Q3 and A to Q1. Is it
Slowly,
possible?
please.
Ma'am, from Q2, A to Q1.
Q2 on A to Q1. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Then from the same state, B we can give it to Q3.
Let me do that. Any string, if it violates, we have to. Here, what did you set this one?
A.
What about B?
We'll give to Q3. Then from Q4, B again to Q3.
I'll tell you one thing.
Ma'am,
This is the
instead of
case. Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
if we give A as self to Q2, then also it will end with BA only.
Now this has to end with AB.
AB, AB.
AB. Who is the boy that answering? I don't know because I'm not seeing the meet page. See, Harshita.
Nitish, ma'am. No, ma'am, not me.
Yes, who is that?
Nitish, ma'am.
Nitish. See, here I'm traveling double distances, like Q2 to Q1 I'm going, then I'm
Yes,
coming
ma'am.
to Q2 again.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure that you have to reach to final state for A. You have to reach to final state for A. So then
Okay.
what I have to do is, instead of giving that A to Q1, why can't I prefer one more final state, a single path?
Okay.
Just see here, the same on A. Why can't I go here? Anyhow, when I'm here, it is ending with BA, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I go here and then coming back,
Yes, ma'am.
don't take much time.
This is simpler.
Okay. Then for B, it is gone here, fine, okay. Because I cannot give B here because it will end with BB. It will end with BB if I give it here. So I don't have any choices from Q2 to Q4. So where I have to go is, I cannot go to Q1 because it will end with BB again. So I should not do that. So only choice is Q3. So BA. This is, I think, BA. What about this fellow where I have to give B?
To Q2, ma'am.
Q2, very good. For B, I'll go here since it's ending with AB here. Ending with AB here. Don't go to again here BA. That's traveling between two times. 1, 2, like that. Better you go there. So the final state. One more is left out, I think. Is that anything completed?
A to Q1.
Q4.
A
Q4 is
to Q1.
1 second. 1 second. Q2 I have given B, right? So I have to give A done.
Q4 to
B.
Q1.
So
Q4A.
Q4 A I have to give. So I think I had to go to
Q1.
Q1 on A so that because I cannot give A here, self state also I cannot give because if I give self state it will become AA. If I go to the Q2 again it will become AA. So only remaining state is Q1. If I give A here, definitely it will end to the final state with B. So A, B. So this is the answer. Any doubts in this? Especially anybody? Actually, one by one, you have to solve. At the time you see the figure completely, it will be confusing. So try to get the minimum distance. So that is the optimal DFSM. Next. Now, take down the question. 3 consecutive zeros should be there. It's a string of zeros and ones. Set of all, as of now, we have been seeing A's and B's. Now, instead of A's and B's, we have zeros and ones, where the language contains a set of all possible strings that should have consecutive 3 zeros. Consecutive zeros. So consecutively 3 zeros should be there. Either you may start with 1 or end with 1, or if you end with 0 itself, I don't have any issues. But 3 zeros should be there consecutively. So minimal skeleton is what? Q0, Q1, then Q2. So 0, 0, and then one more 0. Because that is the hint I got from the question. There should be some triple zeros. Minimum string itself is consecutive zeros. After that, anything is possibility. What is that? 0 power n, triple zero, 1 power n is a possibility, or 1 power n, triple zero, what do you say? 0 power n is a possibility, or else triple zero, 0 power n, 1 power n, 0 power n, 1 power n, triple zero. I think this serves the purpose. Consecutive triple zeros should be there either in the middle or in the end, whether it starts with 0 or starts with 1, no issues, where your n is greater than or equal to 0. Correct or not? Any doubts in the question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Fine. So triple zero Q2, then I'll just go with the final state. What is that? Q3. So triple zero is already got. Now, what if after triple zero, what is the pattern? After triple zero is here. 0 power n, 1 power n. Right? How do you make it?
Self state.
0 comma 1. Correct? This is done. Sure? After triple zero. what if, what do you say that? 1 power n, can I do it like this? Initially,
Yes,
if it
ma'am.
starts with 1,
Yes,
1
ma'am.
power n like that. Okay. So 0, 0, 0. What about the remaining states inputs? Q0 is done. Q3 is done. So you have to go with Q1. I think you have to give the input 1.
Yes, ma'am.
To which state I have
And
to
go
give?
Not.
Q0.
Very good.
Q0, ma'am.
Going to Q0. So if I give here only, I will get triple zeros, or else if I go to the self state, 1 second, self state 1, there won't be possibility, 100 will come. In between 1 will come. So I should not do that. So let me go to the, even if I go to the next state also, the purpose will not serve because 0, 1, 0 possibility is there. So I should not do that. So only possibility is Q0. What next is Q2? I think for this also you will go to Q0.
Yes, ma'am.
For this also you will go to Q0. That's all right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is where this is so many times asked actually consecutive 3 zeros. One more question. I think if I kept on doing like this, it will go like anything end. No end for DFSM construction. So somewhere I have to stop. Remaining things, I think by this time you got some analytical capability of thinking how to do the problems, so that I think you can do on your own. Just clear it. So only last question, I'll just quit it off, and then next we have divisible by k problems, modulo divisible by k problems. That's what yesterday I told you. When you interpret a binary string, it is very difficult for me to go with all binary strings, so that there is a special mechanism for it. So now, at most 2 consecutive b's. Set of all a's and b's, where you have at most 2 consecutive b's. 2 consecutive b's at most. What do you mean by at most? So there can be 0 b's. There can be 0 b's, 1 b, at most 2 consecutive. Then 2 b's. When the third b comes here, it's a problem. Consecutively, there can be 2 b's at most. That is the meaning. So now I'll just understood the question. I'll just go with DFA. Please interrupt me in between if you didn't understood. Q0. What did I told you? 0b is also acceptable, right? Then I'll just make the initial state itself as the final state, because 0b also acceptable. Even 1b is also acceptable. Even 2b is also, b and then b also acceptable. When it comes to the third b, where you have to go? You have to go to a state. I think this state is the trap state. At most, it has been told at most 2 b's. By the time the third b, you should not. So now I'll just write it as a trap state. So now serve the purpose of A is here. A can be wherever it, like, there is no restriction, the string may start with A also. In that case, I think the only possibility is giving A here. It may start with A. so that A is itself is the input. A itself is the string. A itself is the string where 0 is accepted. Then AB accepted. Even A power n B accepted. Because only one B is there. At most two B's. Fine. Where do you give that input, left out input for Q1 is A, right? Where do you give it?
Self state.
Now, if you give self state, there will be consecutively 3 B's will come. Possibility is there, no? If you give self state, suppose if I give self state here for B, B, 3 B's are coming acceptable.
Ma'am, we should give A as the input.
B should be given.
For A, ma'am.
For Q naught, right? I suppose if I give B here,
Ma'am, B is already given from Q1
oh,
to Q2.
sorry, I'm telling A.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. If you give A, B, A, consecutive B is asked, right?
Ma'am, it can be both of them can be self because it can either choose A or B because we can have 0 A, 0 B's, 1 B, 2 B or any number. 3 B, 2 B.
No, that is there, but actually there is a word here, consecutive. At most 2 consecutive B's. Make sure that. Okay, 0 B also we have given, 1 B also have given, 2 B's. Let me give it my A to here. A, B, B. See, if you give it here, it can be a single B also acceptable and then double B also acceptable, A, B. It accepts both. It accepts A, B also. But when you give A here, there is no chance of accepting A, B, you see. Suppose if I give A here, where do this string is getting accepted? It will come any number of A's, B followed with A's and then B. So this is not getting accepted.
Ma'am, is it necessary that on Q1 if we give self state A will be accepted only?
See, just give the weightage for the consecutive B's. So better not this comes. Suppose if I give ABB, will it serve the purpose? If instead of this A, if I give A here, will it serve the purpose?
Ma'am, it may serve or it may not serve.
Yeah, ABB, it goes here. ABB, it goes here. So since I'm giving weightage to consecutive B's, better consecutive B's. Okay, both is acceptable, I think so. 1 second. This I will resolve. It's also working. If you go to the previous state, I think BB. So being here, A, B, in this path, okay, AB, ABB. What about this length? AB, ABB. Not accepting, no? This string is not accepting when you give A here. Look at please.
Yes, ma'am.
If I give A here, 1 second. Is it accepting, you see now? A, B, A.
Yes, ma'am, it accepts.
So
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
the ideal one. I think so. Correct?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's what. Okay, so better go with consecutive bits. This fellow also provide A here only. So that anything every string has to be inacceptable. At the same time, one violation case also should not be acceptable. So this is the valid optimal DFSM. So I think you have to practice a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, a doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
In Q2, why can't we give A to self? Our condition is already met. At most, consecutive 2 Bs.
Okay.
So in Q2, if you give A to self, it doesn't matter.
I'll give you one string now.
Okay, ma'am.
BB,
Yes, ma'am.
A, BB.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me, suppose if I didn't give this here, you're telling that give here A, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it acceptable, you see? This is a valid string.
BBA. No, it goes to Q3 then.
That's what. So
Okay.
it has to.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yeah, that's what. So this is not a valid. So then this eraser and this pen are both confusing me. Then pick. This is the optimal choice. Fine. So with this, I'll stop explaining these questions. Let us go to divisible by k problems. Oh, it's already time. Okay. 1 second. So, shall we say divisible by k problems today itself? It's left here because from morning you were, see, I have to understand your thing also. If you want, I'll do it. Because for me, what I want, I have to finish my portion early. Speak out. So I'll share the screen. Okay. And please, all of you, give in chat box, try to chat your USN followed with present. Because anyhow, I'll take the attendance here. I have enabled it, one of the attendance option, because if it isn't worked out well, better I'll get it from you. This is tumba bega martira. I know it. Don't do multiple entries. One C chat, that's enough. Stop recording.